I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have taken a very important question based on SAT Math 2 test. Find the value of x cubed if 4x to the power of 5 is equal to 16 squared. You can pause the video and answer the question. So let's begin with what is given to us. We are given 4x to the power of 5 is equal to 16 squared. We'll always write this as x to the power of 5 equals to 16 square over 4, right? Which is, as you can see, 4 is 2 square, right? So we can do 16 over 2 whole square. Correct. So we could write like this. 16 over 2 is 8, so it is equal to 8 square. Now on this side, we need to figure out what is x cube equals to, right? So x to the power of 5 is 8 square, so x will be equal to 8 2 over 5, right? And if you want to find what is x cube, we'll just multiply, take a power of 3, right? And so this will be 8 to the power of 2 over 5 to the power of 3. And that gives you 8 to the power of 3 times 2, 6 over 5. Makes sense? So that is how you can get a value. And now, since the answer is in decimals, you may use calculator to figure this out. So that's one way of doing it. The other way could be that we could actually write 8 as 2 to the power of 3 and then simplify it a bit, right? So at present, we'll find what is 8 to the power of 6 by 5. And that is 12.1. And therefore, the answer is C. And so we get x equals to 12.1, and therefore the option is C. So I hope that is absolutely clear.